I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the kick. High pass at 3060 Hz removes inaudible rumble so the compressor acts on useful content. Next, insert a compressor and set ratio to 3:1 so peaks are tamed without squashing. Use attack 1030 ms to preserve transient click and release 60-120 ms to let the body breathe. Once done, adjust threshold until you see about 2.6 dB of gain reduction on the loudest hits, making sure the click remains audible. Once the initial control is set, focus on tone. Slower attack increases punch by letting the transient through, while faster attack reduces click. Choose based on the mix. For more weight, set up parallel compression. Send the kick to a bus with heavier compression and blend wet/dry to taste. Use a second compressor for glue if needed. Make sure to apply makeup gain and trim so level matches pre-compression, so comparisons are a/B, not fooled by loudness differences. You finish by auditioning the kick in the full mix. Balance matters more than solo perfection. If you hear pumping or breathing, lengthen release time or reduce ratio until motion is musical. When the kick competes with bass, try multi-band compression on lows or sidechain the bass to the kick so transient alignment stays clear. One troubleshooting tip: if clicks vanish, slightly reduce attack time or add a parallel channel with the dry transient to restore presence without overcompressing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.